Now, the Ministry of Home Affairs have deployed 20 companies of Central Armed Police Force (CAPF) to Manipur with immediate effect till November 30 to maintain law and order situation in the state in response to fresh escalations of violence since November 7th. According to a statement issued by the ministry, additional forces include 15 companies of CRPF from Assam and 5 companies of BSF from Tripura. This deployment will take the total number of CAPF companies in Manipur to 2,18,115 companies of CRPF, 8 companies of Rapid Action Force, 84 companies of BSF, 5 companies of ITBP and 6 companies of Sashastra Sea Mobile. As per sources, the team under the planning of Indian Air Force have reached Imphal International Airport this afternoon. An additional 8 more team is also expected to reach soon. SKTV's video journalist Nongthomom Johnson brings you an exclusive report.
Mamang sahigi me ahumdagi thorokkiba irang sina maram moiraga tongan ba mafam singda puki narco terrorist singna landarakpadagi bisam yam kaya asokapan nangbata natana asi ena yorokpasida Manipur da lairiba law and order situation si ngangdabagi damakta CFF company kaya harakre adubu Manipur gi law and order situation si amkai hena fasilaktabagi ahenba force hajanabagi damakta Ministry of Home Affairs na company kun amasu hojik harakre haiba company kun siga tharaga Manipur da CFF Sanigata Nipan Laikre, Sanigata Nipan Sigi Manungda, CRPF Samagatara Manga, Rab Sumnagi Nipan, BSF, Marifuga Mari, ITBP Company, Manga, SSB Company, Taruk Hariba Company, Saniga, Taranipan Asi, Manipuda, Housing, Manipugi Law and Order Situation, Nak the Vidamakta, Funglakre, Hariba, CFF Company Kunasi, Nabembagitang, Kuntrapawa, Lagani Hari. Adubu kuntra pawo laigitori bran tagana makata na sangthagadori ba haibududi yengbatari matang asida miyamna hangnarakliba wahangdi mi ahumdige horukhiba irang asina maram moiraga Manipur da law and order situation ngaknabagi damakta CFF company kaya ama thajilakre hojiksu company kun amasu thajilakre thajilakliba asi Manipur lenga asi misam mayam ngakpa ngamdre haina lawgidoribra natragana athupa matamda irang asi losinabagi damakta ahenba khungthang Lakolak Libra Hibasi Asobo Wahang Amadi Oi. Here Masigi Matanga, Potom Zariba, and Tom Johnson, SKTV, Airport.